A bathroom remodel is one of the best ways to enhance your home's functionality, comfort, and value. If you're upgrading your Pascagoula bathroom, choosing the right walk-in shower can make a significant impact. Walk-in showers provide a modern, open feel while improving accessibility and convenience. But with so many design options available, how do you pick the perfect one? Here's a step-by-step guide to choosing the best walk-in shower for your Pascagoula bathroom remodel. Consider the size and layout of your bathroom. Before selecting a walk-in shower, assess the size and layout of your bathroom. Walk-in showers come in various styles, and the right choice depends on your available space. Small bathrooms. A corner walk-in shower or a curved glass design can maximize space while maintaining an open feel. Medium-sized bathrooms. A frameless glass shower can create a sleek, seamless look. Large bathrooms. Consider a luxury spa-style shower with a bench, multiple shower heads, or a built-in niche for extra convenience. Measure your space and consult with a bathroom remodeling professional in Pascagoula to determine the best placement for your new shower. Choose the right shower enclosure style. The enclosure you select will define the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Some popular options include frameless glass showers, modern, minimalistic, and visually appealing. These create a spacious and open feel. Semi-frameless showers offer a mix of traditional and modern styles while maintaining durability. Fully enclosed walk-in showers, ideal for privacy, preventing water splashes, and keeping warmth inside. Open concept showers provide a sleek, spa-like design with no doors, creating a seamless transition. For Pascagoula homeowners looking for a contemporary touch, a frameless glass walk-in shower is a great choice. Select the right shower doors, or go doorless. Walk-in showers come with different door options, or you can go completely doorless for a more open design. Hinged doors. Great for spacious bathrooms but require clearance for opening. Sliding doors. A practical option for smaller spaces. Bifold doors. Fold inward, ideal for compact bathrooms. Doorless design. Provides an ultra-modern, minimalist look with easy accessibility. Doorless showers are popular in Pascagoula homes because they reduce maintenance, eliminate hardware, and create a seamless flow. Pick the best showerhead and fixtures. Your showerhead and fixtures can completely transform your bathing experience. Consider these options. Rainfall showerhead provides a luxurious, spa-like feel. Handheld showerhead adds flexibility, especially for families and seniors. Multi-function showerheads offer adjustable settings for different water pressures. Body jets and multiple showerheads enhance relaxation and provide full body coverage. For a high-end look, choose brushed nickel, matte black, or oil-rubbed bronze fixtures that complement your overall bathroom style. Choose durable and stylish tile or wall materials. The walls of your walk-in shower need to be water-resistant, durable, and stylish. Here are some top choices. Porcelain or ceramic tiles, affordable, durable, and available in various colors, patterns. Natural stone, marble, granite, travertine, luxurious and elegant but requires sealing. Glass tiles, modern and reflective, making the space look larger. Acrylic wall panels, low maintenance and cost-effective for a sleek appearance. Pascagoula's humid climate makes mold and mildew prevention essential, so choosing moisture-resistant materials is a must. Incorporate accessibility and safety features. If you're planning a bathroom remodel for aging-in-place or family-friendly use, consider safety features like non-slip flooring, textured tiles or slip-resistant coatings help prevent accidents. Grab bars provide extra support, especially for seniors and children. Built-in benches add comfort for longer showers. Curbless showers eliminate the threshold, making entry easier for those with mobility concerns. A well-designed walk-in shower ensures both beauty and practicality for all ages. Think about storage solutions to keep your shower organized and clutter-free. Include built-in storage options such as recessed shower niches, perfect for storing shampoo, soap, and accessories. Corner shelves utilize space efficiently without overcrowding. Floating shower benches provide storage and seating without taking up extra space. By integrating smart storage solutions, you'll create a functional and tidy shower area. Set your budget and hire a professional. Walk-in showers come in a range of price points, depending on the materials, size, and features you choose. Setting a realistic budget will help you stay on track while getting the shower of your dreams. Basic walk-in shower. $2,500 $5,000. Mid-range walk-in shower. $5,000 $10,000. Luxury walk-in shower with custom features. $10,000 plus. To ensure quality results, work with a trusted bathroom remodeling company in Pascagoula. Professional installation ensures your shower is waterproof, durable, and built to last. Final thoughts. Create the perfect walk-in shower for your Pascagoula bathroom. Upgrading to a walk-in shower is a fantastic way to enhance your Pascagoula bathroom remodel. By carefully considering size, layout, materials, and accessibility features, you can design a shower that is both functional and stylish. Whether you want a luxurious spa retreat or a practical, space-saving design, a well-planned walk-in shower will add long-term value to your home. Ready to start your Pascagoula bathroom remodel? Contact a local professional today to bring your dream walk-in shower to life.